Okay, so here's a quick tutorial on how to find the remote learning averages for your students. First thing you need to do is just go into one of your classes' gradebooks, and once we're in there, we're going to go up to the top right, and we'll see this little pull-down menu right here. We'll drop that down, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom and choose Student Detail. Now, in Student Detail, you've got lots of choices of what you can do. But I'm going to go down here and I'm going to say student averages only. That way I don't have to dig through all of the individual scores. It's just the student averages. And I'll go ahead and hit run. And it takes a second to think. It's going to create a PDF for you, which you can print, or you can just scroll through on here. And you'll notice right here in remote learning, it gives you a lot of information. The one that you're most interested in is this percent column right through here. And that will give you the remote learning average for the students. And there's one page per student, so you can just scroll through, find the ones you need, and adjust grades accordingly. Now, occasionally I have seen one or two people where that shows up and the remote learning is not showing an average. The issue that I've noticed happens and causes that is if when someone creates an assignment, if you have been switching the individual assignment weights to 0, and I'll show you that here in 1 second. If you've been changing this number right here to a 0, you'll need to go back on each assignment and switch it back to a 1. If it's a 0 there, you won't see the remote averages in the individual, like when you run that report I just showed you. So again, for the report, real quick, we just go up here to the top, drop down menu, choose student detail. I like to choose from this pull down menu student averages only, and then hit run, and it's going to be in the line for remote learning, and we've got the averages right there. So that's a quick how-to. Again, it's just their student detail report. Thanks, hope that helps.